No, it went away. It's been awesome working with you guys. I love you guys so much. You become my family. I never would have thought I would have stayed with a collab channel for a year. And, here we are, a year later, and I love you guys so much, every single one of you. Anyway, so it's Solilocheese 1 year anniversary. It's very lovely, isn't it? Yay! Okay, so, with that said, we're supposed to tell you what we love about this collab channel and what was our favorite thing that we did this year. My favorite thing that we did, I loved the shit what blank says. I feel like that was like one of my strongest videos I've ever made because I could just express myself so much and like it really showed everybody like who I really am. Now we're supposed to tell you a little bit about what? Shit. Oh dear. Anyway, moving on. We're supposed to tell you guys a little bit about what you love about each collabor, and I'm gonna start with Kelsey. I love Kelsey because I think she's hilarious. I don't know why. I just think, even when she tries not to be hilarious, I think she's hilarious. Just, I don't know. And she's also really pretty and adorable and like, yeah, I feel like I can really relate to her and stuff. Megan. Okay, Megan. I'll go with Chris first, because he was the first Tuesday. Chris, I love Chris, and I miss him. He's a good guy, and he's got good photography and stuff. I love Megan because I like her sense of style. I love Megan's hair. Megan, your new video with your hair and makeup, you look fantastic. Girl, you got it. Working for you, girl. Also, I love how I just think she's funny, even when she's probably not even trying, but that's with all of you, I guess. This looks like poop. But it's not, it's henna. Next is Natalie. I like Natalie because she's very calm and smiley in her videos, and yeah, that's why I love Natalie. And I love Natalie for many reasons, because she's also my wife. And Kika. Who doesn't love Kika? I mean, do I really have to explain that one? Like, everybody loves Kika. Like, it's time to tell the truth. What's your favorite TV show now? This is awkward because I really don't watch TV that much. Okay, that was really stupid. So, Megan's question was, did you watch the Oscars? And no, I did not watch the Oscars. I didn't watch the Oscars because I don't watch TV. I'm sorry, I don't watch TV. I don't watch TV. So, this is really awkward for me. This whole video is awkward. It's even worse, like, you know, when, like, you know, cute guys talk to me, just like, hey, Nick, and I'm just like, but, like, how do I sound like to other people? And that's always confused me. But I want you to do what is your best, like, accent that you can do? Like, is it Irish? Is it British? Is it Canadian? Is it, Icelandic? And then I want you to talk in it if you can, say like a line or something, I don't know. I think that'd be cool. Hey boys, do you want some of this? Yeah, but that's the way you like it. This is why I'm single.